only media persons. Please requesting somebody there. Please cooperate. Please cooperate. Our state president Surendran ji, our state national executive member and former president Krishnadas ji, our district president Jayan ji, our state convener Jaishankar ji, Sri Sanod ji, and all media persons, our dignitaries. I am already interacting some important Kerala people. They know the things. That's why I am requesting press separately. Anything else? ये बजट 25-26 के और निर्मला सीताराम जी और बिलोड प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र जी मोदी जी का विजनरी में कैसा काम करना, कैसा होना, लास्ट क्या कैसा हुआ था 24-25-25-26, बाद में केरला का कितने रेलवे बजट था, दूसरा डिपार्टमेंट के तो सभी डिटेल हमको आपको बताता है। वो ना तो बाद में आप कुछ तो भी रहे तो मुझे कि किया तो मेरा पास क्या है इंफॉर्मेशन देने का मैं रेडी हूँ। मेरा एक ही निवेदन है, स्टेट को सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट मोदी जी का विजनरी बहुत बड़ा है। विकसित भारत 2047 में 100 ईयर्स होता है कर्नाटक प्रदेश का। भारत देश कैसा रहना क्या आना उसको कितना चिंता नहीं, देश का हमें नंबर 1 नंबर 2 आने का उसका डिसीजन है। इसीलिए मेरा मीडिया पर्सन का मेरा निवेदन है, केरला गवर्नमेंट हमको कोऑपरेट किया तो अभी बहुत काम करने का भी थोड़ा हेल्प होता है। इसलिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया 25-26 में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ केरला का क्या 34 डिपार्टमेंट है, वो डिपार्टमेंट में ईयर वाइज कितना जायद करने का उसे भी कर रहे, एक्सेप्ट दैट रूटीन वर्क काम छोड़ को भी दूसरा काम कैसा करना, क्या करना, कैसा देश का राज्य को इंप्लीमेंट करना, भारत सरकार का कितना उसका ऑब्लिगेशन है, ये सब भी आपको मैं थोड़ा बताता है। इसलिए मेरा निवेदन है, इधर बहुत प्रोजेक्ट कुछ तो भी रहने का हमको होना चाहिए, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का कोऑपरेशन। बाद में एक हमारा चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स का एक स्टेशन का एक किया, मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ उधर। कौन सा स्टेशन है? नेमम उधर मैं जा रहा हूँ। आफ्टर द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस वी आर गोइंग ना, वी आर गोइंग देयर। दैट्स वाई मेरा निवेदन है, गवर्नमेंट का संकल्प है विकसित भारत का कैसा करना, क्या करना, गरीबान से कितने कैसों लेको आने का, भारत सरकार का क्या क्या चिंता है सर को आपको मालूम है। ये गरीब कल्याण में 10 इयर्स में विजनरी में क्या क्या हुआ तो आपको बताता है। इसलिए मेरा सबको भी ये लास्ट में विजनरी नरेंद्र मोदी जी का गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना, पीएम जनधन योजना, पीएम आवास योजना, आयुष्मान भारत, अटल पेंशन योजना, जल जीवन मिशन, स्वच्छ भारत मिशन have been enhanced in which have reduced the poverty. The strength of the country lies in the people. This budget support Modi government committed सबका साथ सबका विकास through inclusive development. Our 1 crore workers are unorganized sector employed by one online platform across the country will be registered on e-Sam portal. They will also get insurance cover under PM Jan Arogya Yojana. This scheme will give a new social identity of workers from unorganized sector and then can take benefits of government schemes. In next 3 years, daycare cancer center will be established in district hospital. In next 3 years, daycare center cancer center, daycare cancer center will be established in the district. Every Annadata, recognizing the importance of the Annadata, the union budget has announced a new scheme. Prime Minister Dhana Dhanya Krishi Yojana. Prime Minister Dhana Dhanya Krishi Yojana, which will cover 100 productivity agriculture district. ये कैसा करना, क्या करना, फार्मर्स का कैसा स्ट्रेंथनिंग देना, देश में ये ऐतिहासिक तीर्मान है. ये तीर्मान हमारा मोदी जी का विजनरी भी है. Just like aspiration district program, this scheme will increase agriculture productivity and benefits of 1.7 crores annadatas. Agriculture service is the backbone of Indian economy. A 6-year mission to Atmanirbhara in Pulsan is launched. In Kerala, the area under the connectivity of Pulse was reducing. This scheme will directly support to the farmers in Kerala and improve the production of the Pulsan. Indian second largest fish producing country with around 8% global share. Modi government launched in Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana in 2020 to ensure welfare of the fishermen, fish farmers. The Union Budget 25-26 have given the highest ever budget 2,700 crores for the fisheries sectors. In Union Budget 25-26 have given the highest ever budget for Rs 2,700 crores for fisheries sector. The size of Indian fisheries export market 60,000 crores. इसमें 5,000 crores will come to the Kerala. 60,000 में 500 crores transaction in Kerala में चलता है. The government reduced customs duty on surimi and fish hydrosalate manufacturing fish surimi shrimp fish. ये सबको भी हमें कस्टम ड्यूटी कंप्लीट ये कर कोई. किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड lending limit increased from 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Kisan credit card lending limit to be increased up to 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. These steps will help about 10.5 lakhs people of Kerala. इसमें केरला 10.5 लाख पीपल को हेल्प होता है. Engaged fisheries, aquaculture and its allied activities. In the last 10 years, MSP for good rains have been increased. For paddy, MSP increased from 1,310 क्विंटल को 1,300 में अभी 2013 to 14 now 24-25 में 2,300 को एक क्विंटल को अभी जियाद कर कोई पैडी का. इसलिए इन लास्ट 1 year बासमती एक्सपोर्ट्स ग्रोन बाय 11%. इसलिए बासमती राइस विल एक्सपोर्ट बाय 11%. मिडिल Modi government has introduced the policy of विवाद का विश्वास. विवाद का विश्वास किधर विवाद रहता है उस बार वो विश्वास में रहना चाहिए कर को एक बहुत बड़ा स्कीम बन रहा है. The limit of tax deduction of interest for senior citizens has been doubled from the present 50,000 से 1 लाख को कर को है. This limit is TCS remittance has also been increased from 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs. This will help students who are avail educational loan to study abroad in Kerala. On average, every year in Kerala is utilizing 2.5 lakh students to study abroad. 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs उसको इंक्रीज कर कोई उसमें केरला में 2.5 lakhs स्टूडेंट अब्रॉड को जाकर पढ़ रहे. ये मोदी जी का बहुत बड़ा गिफ्ट है. मोदी गवर्नमेंट इज reduced tax burden on the middle class by raising nil tax slab in 7 lakhs to 12 lakhs. आपको मालूम है अभी बता कोई. More than 7 crores tax payment will be zero income tax. This will support more middle class of Indian and most of the sentimental householders. In Kerala, nearly 40% total workforce belongs to middle classes, nearly double the national average of 23%. 36 life-saving drugs and medicine to the list of medicine will be fully exempted by basic customs duty. 100% exemption. 36 medicines. Yuva Shakti to release the goal of becoming a Vishwaguru, the Modi government will give importance to the upskilling the yuva of a country. India has the largest youth product population in the world with 65% under the age of 35, under the age of 35, 65% उतने. Union budget announced established 50,000 Atal tinkering lab in government schools over the next 5 years. ये कितना बड़ा, बहुत बड़ा काम है. ये सभी आपको बताते हैं, बाद में आपको मालूम होता है. Branded connectivity will be provided to all rural government secondary schools and primary health centers under the BharatNet project. This will benefit 1 lakh students and rural patients. The budget has also proposed the Bharatiya Bhasha Pustak scheme to provide digital from Indian textbook. This initiative will be the boon for the South Indian state. This scheme will offer a digital textbook and schools and university students promote regional language in education. Modi government will create additional infrastructure in the 5 IIT start after 2014 to facilitate education for 6,500 more students. IIT Palkar started in 2015 will be upgraded. Even student also आपका बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Medical education will be extended by adding 10,000 new medical college seats in 2025. 10,000 medical seats, extra medical seats are adding the government 2025. For startup, the credit guarantee shall be revised from 10 crores to 20 crores. This will be help to the startup ecosystem which is emerging in Kerala also. Nari Shakti, in the last 10 years, the budget for women and children development has been enhanced by 32%. 12,500 crores allocated in Sakram Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 program for the welfare of the children, pregnant and lacting women. 12,100 crores allotted PM Ujjwal scheme. It will benefited 10 lakhs 33 crores women, 10 lakhs crores women, 10 lakh 33 crores women, about 3.5 lakhs in Kerala only benefited. Vikasit Vanchit Varg during the last 10 years, budgetary allocation of social justice scheme has gone up from 6,700 crores to 14,880 crores, doubling. Similarly, the budgetary allocation of tribal welfare has gone up to 4,300 to 14,900 crores. Tribal ka sir? Modi government has launched various schemes such as PM जनजाति आदिवासी न्याय महा अभियान, PM जनजाति विकास मिशन, एकलव्य schools, virtual capital fund as SCs and backward classes, National Safai Karmachari Finance Development Corporation, etc. To encourage first time enterprises of the government will provide loan from 2 crores during the next 5 years for 5 lakhs women, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. 2 crores, 5 lakhs. Under this Prime Minister Swanidhi scheme, the government will facilitate enhanced loan from bank RS RuPay credit card with 30,000 limit. In Kerala, more than 52,000 street vendor will benefit from this scheme. 52,000. Infrastructure economy. During the last 10 years, investment and highway sector has gone up 9 times, railway budget has gone up to 10 times, urban affairs budget has increased by 10 times, modified Udan scheme with budgetary allocation of 540 crores will enhance regional connectivity by adding 120 new destinations. To encourage state to improve infrastructure, Union budget announced the outlay of 1.5 lakhs crores, 50 years interest-free loan from status, all 1.5 lakhs. In Kerala, 1,300 kilometers of national highway have been constructed since 2014. In Kerala, 1,300 kilometer national highway have been constructed since 2014. This scheme will improve connectivity and infrastructure in Kerala. The Union budget announced the Maritime Development Fund with car pass for 25,000 crores. This will benefit the maritime industry of Kerala, and Indian companies will secure order to build vessels in the country, promoting Make in India. Jal Jeevan Mission. To achieve 100% JJM has been extended till 2028 with enhanced budget. Since 2018, 15 crores householders of India have been provided safe drinking water under JJM. Coverage in Kerala under JJM only 54%. State government should ensure better implementation under the JJM. Boosting tourism, medical tourism and
हार मांगो दिल को जलाने वाला